Hey, it's Saturday. It is, I've literally done nothing all day. I didn't go to bed till late. It's 5 to 4. I have spent the day doing different makeup looks because I want to try and do some more makeup videos on my channel. So I thought I would test a few out. I really like this one, but something is irritating me here and it's making my eyes water. I don't know what it is. I think it's the eyeshadow. But yeah. The kids are at Ben's mum's tonight. I might go out. I might see if one of my friends wants to go for a drink. I just don't know if I can be arsed. I think because I know I should, again, because like last weekend I just didn't do anything, but I feel like I just can't be bothered. Like I've just felt like I've been doing stuff or having to like do things or clean or drive the kids places or entertain Fox and stuff just for so long. So I'm literally just reading my book and listening to music and watching TV and painting my nails and pissing around with makeup. If I do go out later, I'll come back and tell you where I'm going, but I don't know, we'll see.